Hey guys, welcome back. This is a special episode because we cooked huge amounts of food and we went on a hike in the Varghis Gorge with an amazing couple. But more on that later. Take a moment and hit that like and subscribe button. It means a lot to us. First, we start by cooking this pig on a spit. We brined it for 36 hours. And if you want to know the ingredients we used, then check the description below. The most important thing to keep in mind when cooking a whole pig is to secure it tightly to the rod, because it takes a lot of time to cook, and when the meat gets tender, it can fall off. Our pig is secured tightly, so we proceed by making our simple basting sauce, which consists of sugar, salt, ground pepper, some sriracha, dry red wine, water, and some summer savory. We will baste our pig from time to time with it to be sure it doesn't dry out too fast. The cooking time depends from the weight of your pig. Ours is roughly 25 kilograms or 55 pounds, so it needs 6 hours. While it cooks, we decided to make a dinner for our local retirement home. We made a cabbage salad. We season it with salt, vegetable oil, and apple cider vinegar. As for the main dish, we made some rusty potatoes with grilled pork neck. Our pig is ready, so last we coated it a small amount of honey to give that extra sweetness. We had a long day and we were exhausted, but everything turned out great. The dinner got ready in time and our friends helped us pack it, so it was time to deliver it. It was an amazing experience. We loved it. The next day we went on a hike in the Varghis Gorge with our friends from Heads in the Clouds. They are an amazing couple that traveled around the world. They share with us some amazing stories of their travels. Be sure to check out the YouTube channel. You can find it in the description below. If you enjoyed our video, then hit that subscribe and like button. Stay safe.